Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is Saturday, 27th of January 2024. So today we want to look at the global market. Let's see what is going on with the steel, metal, commodities, with precious metal, with palm oil, and of course global market, US market, Apple, all those. So when everything is doing well, we should be doing well. If everything is doing worse, we could be doing worse also. That's why we take a look at the global. Then you might gain an advantage because you see something that happen in the global market that could affect Malaysia. So you can actually take action first. If opportunity, we take action first. If danger, you also take action first. So you don't always get sucked into become suckers. Okay, let's look at a disclaimer first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, support the channel. Don't forget to hit the like, hit the bell, hit the subscribe if you're first time watching my video, and don't forget to share with your friend and leave a comment. Want to open an account, you can try CGS-CIMB, one of the top platform in Malaysia. Okay, can invest in Malaysia, stock market, Singapore, Hong Kong, US. Want to open an account, there's a link at the bottom there, you see description, then you see CGS-CIMB, you click, there's a form, you fill in, submit, then my friend will call you up, this CGS-CIMB advisor, and guide you how to open an account online. So everything now done online, very simple. No need to go anywhere, and this CGS-CIMB is a legal one, it's a legal broker, okay, approved by our BURSA Security Commission. Okay, so I want to buy Bitcoin, down there also got Luno. Okay, you can try use Luno. Okay, okay, let's check out the global market, see what is going on. Look at KLSE first, look at the weekly chart, see what is going on. Okay, weekly chart really broken through. Okay, very strong. We see remember last time we saw this one, okay, the 2 pin bar, okay, on the weekly chart. We say this is a tweezer top, very difficult to break, but once you break, means the uptrend is very strong, means the bull suddenly become very strong. Okay, so this is a very good sign, okay. After it breaks this, normally it's a good sign for it to continue up, Remember, few days back, last week, before this one push up, after the drop the limit down, after the market limit down, remember the small cap crash, okay. Remember I told you I got an idea, right? Means I got a hunch, a feeling, right? This is the market crash is a shakeout of the retail, shakeout of the weak holders, right? I said, remember, you just watch, I said, after the big shakeout, KLCI straight away punched through 1,005, is a shakeout by the big fish, because very big volume, right, last few weeks, right? So they have to shake out all the big volume. Okay, they have to start fresh. They shake out all the small players, then they push it up. Then this time push up most of who is holding all the stock, the institution, right? The institution. I mean the retail, as I said, okay, if you get shake out, you are worried, you are out, it's okay. Because why? Well, we are not traveling blind. Okay, we are traveling with a chart to guide us. Okay, so you see, if after I throw on my stop, then I see now daily chart, we see a flat pattern, right? A breakout. Okay, then we jump in again. It's safer rather than, okay, you just even you see the big crash, you didn't throw, or you just I hope you go up. What if it doesn't go up, it continue to go down, right? So you throw already, it's okay, because we know how to continue. Okay, let's say we see the continuation, a pattern continuation, right? It means a pattern continuation. If you join my class, you know lah. Okay, so now we can jump in again. So we are safer doing that way rather than you just close your eyes and don't know what's going on. Okay, so now breakout, after a breakout of a tweezer top, this is strong now. Okay, so BURSA still I mean got chance to go up to here redraw the 1533 area. Okay, look at Ace market. Ace market very difficult after this big candle what you want it to recover is very difficult. It will take very long time because this big candle happened before You see how bad it is okay, how bad it is. This one candle beat all this big candle okay, so this is extremely bad extremely bad This candle you see this candle is almost as bad as a core wick candle, but not as bad as a core wick candle, 1 wick candle. Okay, this is almost like a core wick crash candle, right? So you know not easy I mean, it will rebound eventually, but it will take some time It will not instantly I don't think so I'm not saying it will not happen, but normally it won't Okay, after such a big drop Okay. Okay, look at small cap, mid cap. Okay, mid cap we got a pin bar, okay, we got tail bar, then we got a confirmation bullish bar. Looks like the mid cap is pushing up again. The small cap is in range, okay, small cap is in mother and son. You look at the weekly chart, mother and son. So most probably when weekly happen mother and son, most probably it will go sideways. Okay, until it break through the mother's head or break below mother's leg. Okay, so because it's a weekly chart, it will take time it won't be so fast So for the market you want to know KLCI whether it will continue push through You see these few weeks the strong sector that's pushing the KLCI, the BURSA up is the construction, utility, and what property, right? So now you see now construction and property are consolidating. So if they break out next week, probably it will bring KLCI together, bring the whole market up to 1530. You see okay, construction. Okay, construction already push up, now it's consolidating. Okay, consolidating. Okay, consolidating. Okay, in the sideways. Okay, so one it can push through 210 next week. You're gonna push up, probably it will bring this KLCI together. Okay, and also consumer nothing much still in a small momentum. Energy, yes, energy still going up, but I said I'm not keen to invest in energy now. Okay, even though it's on the uptrend. Okay, but that's why we don't see the energy stock moving, flying up, rocket up, right? Okay, because probably not sustainable but I think it still can go probably a bit higher, but our energy stock is not following You have to understand, right? Okay, finance. Okay, finance still strong. US really went up. Okay, big rebound, so Malaysia probably gonna follow soon As I said, either we follow sometime a lot of things happen, US will follow So look like this one is following US. Okay, healthcare. Okay, healthcare not bad. Healthcare we got a rebound over here. I said if it drop below 1881, I think it's coming down to cover this 1739, cover this gap. But since it stay above now, I think it can go to the 2071. Okay, a bit higher here. There's a chance industry just sideways. Plantation slowly moving up. Okay, not very strong. Probably hit 7262. It will probably get rejected again. It will slowly move but long term you want to try plantation, it will take time Okay, you see property also now is testing this 929, just like the construction. It's testing the high here. If it can break through the high here, means it still can travel to this 960 or even 996 Okay, so there is a potential they will bring the KLCI together up Okay, I mean the BURSA together up Okay, read cup and handle cup and handle already reach the target, so you be careful a lot selling already. Okay, technology is still holding 63 by a hair. So if next week it can stay above 63, probably it's still in the channel, still okay. If drop again below 63 means we are making it is making a lower high, lower low. So probably it's starting the downtrend channel. Okay, so we have to take note. Okay, Telco is good. Telco, remember I told you, Telco we saw this. Okay, breakout. Okay, we saw this breakout this area. I said you come back to retest 571. It did not. It came back, but it did not test 571 almost. So it started to rebound again. But the RSI is not going higher. It's divergent. So probably it will come back and retest again. But it is on it has already turned around probably in the long term it's moving back uptrend. So we want to buy. If I want to buy telco stock, of course I don't buy at the high. Buy at the low. Means after this one, let's say this one. Okay, after it go higher 604, it retrace a bit, come to 580 or 571. These are the time to buy, not the push up, not at the RSI at the overbought area. Okay, so you align the sector and your own stock Okay, So don't simply buy lah. So you need to know when it's high, when it's low. Stock market, the stock doesn't go up straight unless you are buying those boring stock lah. Those stock go up straight, come down straight you have to know lah, right? Okay. Transportation okay. It break out a bit, not very strong. Probably will start again at 977. But either sideways or maybe after a bit. Utility, I'm not saying it's not going up. And utility, I don't like this pattern. You see, this pattern. Consolidation, I like is like that. Okay, means after stock goes up, right? Okay, goes up. I like it to consolidate in a downward flag. Okay, not a upward flag. Upward flag I don't like. You see, SIB, SIB is an upward flag. You see when it start to drop. You see, it limit down drop. So you have to understand. That's why I don't like this pattern. I don't like it. Okay. Utilities, it's still going. I think maybe still can go higher, but I don't like it. So I just tell you lah. Okay. I'm not saying it's not going up. I'm just telling you I don't like it. Okay. A good example, SIB lah. You can see SIB, before SIB move higher, it started like this one. Okay. Look at global. US dollar is still stronger. You see okay, level wave by wave going up. So USD, as long as USD is stronger, the stock market in US still got pressure. Okay, if we see this US dollar, okay, keep on going down, then we are quite sure that this US stock market is going higher and higher and higher. But now, no, you see, US dollar is still strong. US market is still going up, but not by much, very slow. Okay, so either one will give lah. Cannot be two going up too long. Okay, because one is risk on, one is risk off. Cannot be risk on and risk off together at the same time. It can happen, but sooner or later, one will give lah. One will turn around. Okay. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin already make lower low. You have to know. This is lower low. Okay, potential. I think you come back to 44, lower high. Then I think you will make a downtrend. Okay, I will continue the downtrend because all the goring already finished and the red color also no longer reaching 50%. Okay, so probably I think you come back to retest potential 35 or 31. Okay, so these are the chance. If you're not yet in, these are the chance probably to pick up some lah. Okay, so it might also rebound from here. I have to see when it rebound from here. Can it go to 44? If it go to 44, means it still can go higher. So these are the area I'm watching, the 41 and 44. Okay, so we're gonna watch and see lah. Ethereum also lah. Once this Bitcoin drop, Ethereum also start to drop lah. No choice lah. And Ethereum ETF is so long time maybe year end lah. So probably middle of the year it might start to push lah. If more and more news coming out about Ethereum ETF lah. Litecoin just sideways lah. SRP also dropping at the bottom channel. Hopefully it don't drop anymore. Okay, so if you break up from this channel next time, so it's the Q to means it's going up again lah. Cardano also in a downtrend channel. Okay, all waiting for the Bitcoin lah. Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin, the next big move probably will be the halving lah, which is middle of this year lah. People expect around April, May, June lah. Okay, I say I don't think the halving or the price will go up. Okay, normally is after halving after half a year or 1 year after halving Okay, don't try to time the market Okay, you know halving coming, you buy and keep first Okay, don't try to time the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is where this crypto is very 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 volatile. It's quite difficult to time it. Of course, I managed to time it by using my strategy when all my, remember I time it, but it took long time. Means a short term push very difficult to time, but the long term push I can see because I can read the chart. Remember I told you right, 4 things that need to happen before I start to buy. So the 4th thing happen is here, right? At 20 over 1,000 here. Okay, around here 25,000. So I start to collect here So if it drop to 30,000 also, I'm not worried Okay. Everyone's also all correcting wait for Bitcoin If Bitcoin suddenly break out above 44, means this one will follow go again. If Bitcoin cannot break out 44, coming back to 37, 30, 35, 37, 31, then this one will continue down. Okay, move slightly Look at global index. Hang Seng is still dropping quite bad. Okay, look at China. FTSE A50 is still dropping, but we got some divergence. So there is a possible rebound over here. Okay, a possible rebound. Okay, because China is going to stimulate the market. Okay, so probably 280 billion, right, USD, 278 billion USD. So probably they will have a push. But how long this can stimulate the market? For how long, nobody knows, because only internal injection probably not enough lah. This what I hear lah. Okay. Australia is okay. Australia, as long as stay above this channel 7467, it should be going higher. But it must break through 7610. If it cannot, then it could be a double top. Then you have to be careful. Okay, Nikkei, Japan. Okay, Japan broke 35-year high. Okay, so now after it goes so far, you see, I draw the target, right? It almost hit the target. Remember, I said the target area is not our line. It's around that area. Nobody know exactly. You will hit exactly the pinpoint perfect 37,414. It will reach exactly that point. I know. Okay, we are looking at the area. Okay, we are area. Okay, remember, nobody can pinpoint. If you can pinpoint, then you are you are the Sifu of Warren Buffett. Then Warren Buffett also cannot pinpoint. Okay, okay, so okay, around here you see it start to drop already. So you have to take note . So probably it's coming down. You see overbought already . So it may come down to 33 or 32 . I think long term is still going to rebound because why? Because let me see, no divergence. Other side no divergence, so it's still very healthy. The uptrend healthy. When you see divergence, means the uptrend, the uptrend not healthy anymore. If you don't see divergence, means the uptrend is still healthy. Okay. This FTSE is just sideways . Either at the top here come back down, or at the bottom here go back up . DAX. Okay, DAX already broken through. DAX already broken through 16,498. All-time high. Now probably it's making a flat pattern and it's starting to break out. I think probably it still can go higher. You measure the flat . So it probably coming to 19,005 area. Okay. But make sure you have to stay above 16,498. If it drop below, means fail. Okay. Semiconductor index, we got a gap down. A bit dangerous. We got double top here. Okay, double top here, so you take note, it might come back to the bottom channel. But the uptrend is still okay for now, until it break below this 38,000. Okay, 38,000. Sorry, 3,000, 3,008. 38,000, 3,829. Okay, Nasdaq also starting to turn around. Also, we got divergence here. So if we start to drop some more, I think probably it's coming back to test this low here, 14,341. If this one hold, okay. If this one cannot hold, so we got lower high, it might start to drop again. S&P also S&P also probably got having a divergence. If you start to turn around, then we can confirm a divergence. So probably it will drop to 4,005 area or 4,003 area. So looks like US is turning around. Malaysia maybe can go in one more week next week. When US start to turn around, then probably will follow. Dow Jones also break out, maybe still can go a bit higher. Dow Jones different. Dow Jones is still strong. Looks quite strong. Okay, Russell also start to make lower high already, so you have to take note. Nifty India already broken all-time high, so it's coming back to test 20,961. It stay above here, probably it still can rebound higher. Okay, look at commodity, aluminium. Aluminium, nothing much. Aluminium is not dropping. Okay, it's not dropping, it's not going up, it's just chopping around. So it's still okay still okay. As long as stay above 195, still okay. Not strong, still okay. Still the steel index not doing well, but steel home China steel price not very high. Look at the Shanghai industry metal also not moving. So we have to still cannot have to wait. Okay, CPO. Okay, the palm oil CPO. Okay, palm oil futures got breakout. If we can push above 4020, probably still can go higher. This one long term I think got potential, the plantation. Okay, copper, okay, copper broke out, not going lower but not going higher, also probably sideways. gold and silver just sideways lah. Gold and silver probably will drop lower first, I think, before it rebound again. It will drop lower first. Well, we got divergence, probably will go lower. Maybe the lowest I think can go is maybe 1930 around this area lah. It won't go 1008, I don't think so lah. 1009 something maybe still got chance to pick up some. For this industry, for this silver, probably silver gonna drop lower. I think probably silver can drop back to 20 maybe. Okay. Because we got head and shoulder here, head and shoulder. Just broke head and shoulder. I think it will go lower. Oil, okay, oil. We will have a rebound, maybe 82. Okay, probably a bit higher lah. So this one, oil maybe will still go much higher. Okay, but I don't see the local our energy stock moving yet lah. When you see moving, maybe can try lah. But now not yet moving lah. Okay, so we want to wait and see lah. Okay, maybe this one 82, but I think going above 82 will be quite difficult lah. There we got head and shoulder. We got head and shoulder here. Head and shoulder. The neckline is around here. So you see the target also is somewhere around here, 82 lah. Okay. Unlike quite difficult to go higher than that. Okay, look at US Apple. Okay, Apple already making lower high, lower low. I think Apple in the long term either sideways or going down. Okay, so not very strong. AMD still okay. AMD. But we got divergence a bit, so there will be a retracement back, correction back, but I think long term is still healthy going up on the uptrend. ARM might have a double top, you have to be careful. If it drop below 66, you have to be careful. Broadcom also we got double top at divergence. I mean at RSI maybe we got divergence, so it might come back down to 989. Okay, this drop lah. Okay, Amazon still okay. Broken higher, but let me see. Yeah, stay above 155. Okay, if we drop below 155, you have to be careful. Drop below support. Alibaba, nothing much. Google, okay, Google I think going to the top channel top 158. Still very strong. Still strong. Grab, nothing much. Intel, okay. These analysts give them not a good forecast. Means their future sales. They are cutting down. They are cutting down their outlook lah. So that's why big gap down lah. I think Intel probably you have to take profit. You are chasing Intel lah. We got divergence some more. We got lower high and RSI drop below 50. Probably this one coming back to 30 plus lah. Okay, 30 plus 33. Meta is still strong going up. I think after retracement, I think probably still want to go up. Microsoft also push through. Maybe after retracement, it still want to go higher. Micron we got divergence here. Maybe a drop first, then I think long term is still going higher due to this driven by all this AI thing lah. Okay, Nvidia don't need to talk lah, go straight up. I think they already overbought. Maybe there's a retracement. Okay, after the retracement, I think it still want to go up. Qualcomm we got divergence, so I think probably it will retrace back, come down, but if the uptrend is still okay. Tesla got a lot of pressure. Okay, due to the profit drop, all these things lah, and Elon Musk also warned about this China competition, all this. So market is not very keen about this Tesla lah. Okay, about this profit margin drop, all these things lah. Okay, so probably long term I think it's still it's on its way, slowly sliding down lah. Okay. Zoom just sideways. Visa. Okay, all the bank, Visa, all these already had a rebound. Okay, now all is consolidating lah. We have to wait for the next wave lah. Okay, next wave. Okay, consolidating. So Boeing, I said Boeing coming back to 196 or 176. So if you are interested of Boeing after all these issue. Okay, the big support I told you is 196. Now 196 then they got support a little bit. So I'm not saying it cannot go down below 196. It might even go down, okay, to 176. 176 I think is the bigger support that maybe want to collect lah. You want to long term lah. Want to collect. Okay. Okay, so that's it for Saturday. Okay, today we did our Zoom class. Also quite entertaining Zoom class today lah, and everyone learned a lot of things. So I share all my secret lah, okay, to you. So don't forget, okay, tomorrow is Chinese Zoom class. If you already joined if you are already joined the course, haven't attend, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.